So this is a story about how my friend, let's say his name Ricky, crashed his truck with me in it at the end of my road. So me and my friend Ricky were drinking some road sodas up in the mountains, and on the way back, Ricky had to take a piss, so we stopped. And Ricky was starting to get pretty pissed off, and I don't know why, but I don't think he wanted to drive that night. And so me and Ricky ended up getting into an argument, going back to my house to drop me off, and Ricky got pissed off and started driving really fast. He was going like 60, 70 miles an hour, and he was going on a really windy road. And he kept going, Joe, you scared? Joe's scared. Joe's scared. Yeah, Joe was fucking scared. Joe didn't want to fucking die in a car accident. And then Ricky crashed into the fucking tree at the end of my fucking road. And then he was fucking tweaking, and he lied to the police and said somebody stole his pickup truck. Moral of the story is, don't fucking tweak out, drink road sodas, and crash your truck. Follow for part two.